Hey guys, it's Emily here down at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change, rig-ready Rams, and now we buy you a Ram. This is a 2021 Ram 1500 Laramie, so let's go take a peek. Up at the front of this one, you're going to have your color-matched bumpers. They do have the built-in park sensors all along the bottom, chrome Ram badging with the black grille inserts, and then of course your two black tow hooks as well. LED headlights and fog lights on this one. It does have the sport hood. And then lifting that up, you're gonna have your 5.7 liter Hemi with your 8-speed automatic transmission. Along the side of this one, you have your 22-inch wheels, color-matched mirrors. They are heated. Then you're also going to have your proximity entry on your color-matched door handles. This one also has your power running boards, so open up the door, they're gonna pop right out for you. Coming into the back, this one does have the 5'7" box. You're going to have your color matched bumpers. They do have the built-in park sensors here all along the bottom. Dual chrome exhaust as well. All set up for towing, 4 and 7 pin wiring with your hitch receiver, and then your chrome Ram badging as well. Backup cameras right here, and it is a soft drop tailgate. It's gonna have your spray and liner right from factory, as well as some LED bed lighting, but now we're gonna go finish up in the truck. Up at the front of this one, you have your black leather seats. They are heated and cooled. They're gonna have some suede detailing as well as your Laramie badging. A huge center console on this one. The top of your center console is lined and it's gonna have a USB plug-in. This is your sliding cup holder. So you have 2 cup holders here as well as some additional storage. And you can move it around, which is really handy. A wireless charging pad right here for your phone, and then your 115 volt plug-in. This one also comes equipped with your 2 USBs, 2 USB-Cs, and an aux plug-in. And then both of your glove boxes in this one are lined as well. It does come equipped with your big 12-inch screen. It has navigation. You also have the option to hook up your phone for Bluetooth. And then you also have access to your heated and cooled seats, your heated steering wheel. You can see your backup camera as well. If you hit this little plus sign in the top left-hand corner, it's gonna zoom in directly on your hitch, which is super handy when you're backing up your trailer. And then you also have this button here, that's for your steps, and that's to either keep them in or out, depending on what you're wanting to do. Coming into your apps, this one is equipped with Travel Link, so that just means you can check out fuel prices near you, any local movie listings, the weather, and then the scores of your favorite sports teams. This one is dual climate control, and you have the option to control the climate on the screen or with the buttons to either side. And then of course, all of your media. If you're not wanting to use the screen, especially at night, it can be kind of bright, you can just turn it off. And then coming down right below the screen, you already have the built-in trailer brake control. You can turn on and off your traction control, your tow haul mode, and then on and off your park sensors as well. On the actual steering wheel, you're gonna have your hands-free controls and your cruise controls, and then the back side of your steering wheel is gonna have some buttons. That's for changing the radio station or turning up and down the volume of the music. This one does have memory seats, so over here right by your handle, there is 2 buttons, and that you can program so that 2 different people can drive it, and it's going to remember who was in last. Harmon Kardon sound system on this one, as well as another 12-volt plug-in up here and an auto-dimming rear view mirror. Universal garage door opener as well. You're also going to have the drop-down tailgate. And then a full panoramic sunroof as well. So guys, this truck is loaded, but now we're gonna go finish up in the back seat. In the back of this one, you're going to have heated rear seats. Buttons for those are just right here, and you can have it on low, medium, or high, depending how cold it is. You're also going to have 2 USBs, 2 USB-Cs, and a 115 volt plug-in. So on long road trips, all of your passengers are covered. They can plug in their devices. Something a little bit different that they did on the 2021s is now when you fold down your armrest, not only do you have 2 cup holders, you're also going to have a handy little center console as well. And then you're gonna have 2 more cup holders right here. Lots of storage in the back of both seat pockets, and then some additional storage areas in your doors. Underneath these all-weather floor mats, there is some in-floor storage bins as well. And you can also see they kind of got rid of this hump here, which is really nice for the person sitting in the middle. They don't have to have their knees up. Your seats do fold up in a 40-60 split, and there is a ton more storage back here. If you want to make this Ram yours, you can click the link below for pictures and pricing, or you can give us a call, 780-942-3629.